Bombay High Court has granted pensionary benefits to a former additional judge whose tenure was not extended. This significant decision underscores the principles of fairness and justice within the Indian judiciary. The case highlights complexities surrounding judicial appointments and the rights of judges post-tenure. By ensuring these entitlements, the court reinforces its commitment to upholding judicial officers' rights, even when terms end unexpectedly. This decision impacts the individual involved and sets a precedent for similar future cases, ensuring justice prevails beyond administrative decisions. Join us as we explore the background and implications of this pivotal ruling and its effects on the judiciary and legal community in India. In a pivotal turn of events, the Bombay High Court has set a precedent by granting pensionary benefits to a former additional judge whose tenure was unexpectedly curtailed. Understanding the background of this case is crucial, as it stems from the judge's tenure not being extended due to administrative reasons, igniting a struggle for justice over his pensionary rights. The case began when administrative authorities decided against extending the judge's term, raising questions about fairness and transparency within the judicial system. Determined to fight for his rights, the judge embarked on a legal journey to challenge the decision denying him the benefits he deserved. This segment unravels the details of his tenure and the contentious reasons behind the non-extension, setting the stage for understanding the broader implications of the High Court's ruling, which resonates with justice and equity principles. As we proceed, we will explore how this landmark decision impacts individuals and sends ripples through judicial administration, setting a new benchmark for handling similar cases in the future. Stay tuned as we dissect the legal arguments and court's rationale leading to this groundbreaking judgment. In the courtroom, legal representatives presented their case, drawing upon legal precedents and meticulously crafted arguments focused on judges' pension rights. This was more than a battle over benefits. It delved into the intricate legal context governing judicial entitlements. Their argument rested on established laws safeguarding judges' rights to receive pensionary benefits, regardless of tenure extension. They argued that denying such benefits contradicts the principles of justice and equality upheld by law. The courtroom became a theater where these arguments unfolded, reinforcing the belief that precedent must guide decisions in such cases. In doing so, they sought justice for the judge and aimed to set a benchmark for future cases. This legal battle was about ensuring the integrity of the judicial system for years to come. As the arguments unfolded, the stage was set for the court's decision, which would soon reveal how these legal frameworks influenced the outcome. This pivotal moment leads us into an exploration of the court's rationale and its far-reaching implications. At the heart of the Bombay High Court's decision lies a profound understanding of fairness and justice. The court meticulously examined the circumstances surrounding the judge's tenure, which was not extended due to administrative reasons, sparking a debate over pension rights. The ruling articulated that denying these benefits would be unjust, given the unique challenges faced during the judge's service. This decision addresses the immediate case and resonates broadly, emphasizing equitable treatment within judicial proceedings. The court's reasoning reflects a commitment to uphold justice, ensuring legal principles are applied with compassion and fairness. This ruling carries significant weight, acknowledging the service of a judge whose contributions, though cut short, were deemed worthy of recognition through pensionary benefits. By doing so, the court has set a precedent, potentially influencing future cases where tenure and pension rights intersect. This judgment highlights the court's role in balancing legal frameworks with human elements, reinforcing the judicial system's dedication to justice. As we delve deeper into the implications of this decision, we must consider its impact on similar cases and the broader judicial administration. The Bombay High Court's decision to grant pensionary benefits to a former additional judge, despite the non-extension of their tenure, reverberates across the legal landscape. This ruling not only addresses the specific case, but also sets a precedent that could influence similar situations in the future. The implications are profound, underscoring a commitment to fairness and justice for judges whose careers might otherwise end without due compensation. By acknowledging judges' rights to pensionary benefits, the court highlights the need for consistent and fair treatment within the judicial system. Moreover, this ruling could prompt a reassessment of existing policies related to judicial tenure and benefits. As courts nationwide take note, this case may serve as a guiding light for future legal battles, offering a framework for balancing administrative decisions with individual rights. This pivotal moment invites reflection on how justice is administered and the responsibilities of judicial bodies to uphold equitable standards. As we transition to expert analyses, we delve into how legal minds interpret this decision's long-term impact on the judiciary and beyond. As the Bombay High Court's decision reverberates through the legal community, experts weigh in on its broader implications. Renowned legal analysts highlight the fairness embedded in this ruling, emphasizing that it reaffirms the judiciary's commitment to justice. This decision is seen as pivotal, potentially influencing future cases where pension rights are contested under similar circumstances. Experts suggest the ruling may prompt a reassessment of how tenure extensions are handled across the judiciary, ensuring administrative decisions align with legal principles. These insights provide a deeper understanding of the court's impact, underscoring the importance of maintaining fairness and equity in judicial administration. As we delve into reactions from the public and legal community, we'll explore how this landmark decision is perceived and the diverse opinions it has sparked. As news of the Bombay High Court's decision spread, it stirred reactions across the public and legal community. Some hailed the ruling as a triumph of justice, emphasizing the court's commitment to fairness, while others questioned its implications on judicial accountability. Debates have emerged regarding the precedents this sets for future cases involving tenure disputes and pension rights. Many legal experts see this as a pivotal moment, highlighting the need for clear guidelines in judicial appointments and extensions. Meanwhile, public opinion remains divided, with some viewing this as a necessary correction and others as contentious. This divergence underscores the complexity of balancing individual rights with institutional integrity. As we navigate these reactions, it becomes evident that this decision impacts involved parties and reverberates through the broader judicial landscape. As we conclude this segment on the Bombay High Court's decision, we reflect on its profound significance in the legal landscape. This ruling is not just a victory for one individual, but a testament to the principles of justice and fairness that underpin our legal system. By granting pensionary benefits, the court has set a new benchmark for approaching similar cases in the future. This decision echoes the belief that every legal process must strive for equity, ensuring no individual is left without due recognition of their service. As we look forward, the implications of this ruling will resonate, influencing judicial proceedings and inspiring reforms. In the evolving narrative of law and justice, this decision stands as a beacon, guiding future interpretations and applications of justice.